Hey guys, this is kind of the end of my other video when I went around London by the name Walkie Talkie. Just randomly thought of the name because we went up the Walkie Talkie building. If you've got any suggestions on how I should name my videos, just let me know. Um, anyway, the next bit you're going to see is me the other day going mad because it was hailstones and rain. It was crazy. Bit of an exaggeration, but um, it was worth recording. So there you go. And then after that, you're going to see me this weekend at football in Nottingham. You'll learn more about the sport as you see from the video. You might hear a bit of swearing if it is in-game footage. You never know, I might get angry at the ref. Get my first yellow card, yeah. I might have to edit that bit out if that does happen. But yeah, no, this is just a kind of ending to the other video I did, which was, for you, it would have been just now. Like, if you've seen the video, it would have been yesterday. For me, it was like Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. But for you, it would be like the last video. Yeah, so after this, you'll see my sport. It's going to be a lot to take in, but I might try and get some footage from my chair as I play. Like, then you can see the game, but I don't know if we're allowed to do that. I'm going to have to sign a consent form. Because like I said, that every now and then players do let out the odd swear word. It's just part of the sport. We have fun though, so next video I'll either be on the pitch or from the hotel room in Nottingham. Till then, peace out. Well, it's the same video, so there's no point in me ending this one. This is like the ending of the other video and the beginning of this video. Plus, some other good news. Might be getting some work experience, a job, with potential to get a job, not necessarily a job. And you'll see that. I've got to stop saying as well. Any advice on how to stop saying let me know. Yeah, so Hailstones is about all I got, and football, a bit more interesting. Yeah, here we go. It's fucking hailstones! Oh my god, they're finished now. You missed the best bit, guys. I'm sorry. Stop raining. Oh, one more thing. Thanks to those guys who viewed my videos so far. There's not many out there yet, and anyone else starting with video blogs or YouTube, good luck. You'll start off slow like I have, but you never know, one day. Might be one of them successful YouTubers. There's a few of them out there. A few inspirations. In my case, John Hicks. Shout out to him. If you're watching my video, you're probably not. You're probably out there making videos. And any advice to anyone else, I'll just say, just get out. The world is yours. But you got to capture it, so make sure your camera's always ready, always on. And in my case, make sure you've got enough memory and don't accidentally delete half your videos that you haven't even saved on your computer because of no memory. Yeah, get a big SD card, micro SD card in the GoPro case. Wouldn't recommend using an iPhone 5. Probably because mine's half dead, or the screen's smashed. But other than that, keep going. Yeah. Yeah, do any of you know how to get a GoPro remote, Wi-Fi remote working? I've got one over here, and it's just not working. It's on, it goes on, but it don't connect. Any ideas, let me know in the comments. Hit a like if it's your first time watching one of my vids. I will find a way to get it working eventually, just technology don't like me that much. So, yeah, nothing you can do from that in the comments really. It's just technology.